Well, out again with the FMS 1.7mm F7F Tigercat, which flew really nice on its maiden flight. I put a 6S 6000 pack in it this time. But all my concerns last time about how easy it is to do that and that the CG might be wrong, and no, it was absolutely fine. The CG is on the money with the 6000 pack. And it just looks awesome in the sky, I have to say, doesn't it, Jay?
It does look really good, yeah. It's got a lot of sky presence, doesn't it?
And I'll point out the undercarriage on this. They've put a lot of effort into this. It does look really, really nice. And
the rears are quite nice as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
You pick it up and show us?
I'll do that.
Because it is quite a little work of art, the rear undercarriage, isn't it?
Stand on its wing.
Yeah, look at that.
So let me show it working. And you see it's painted green inside as well,
like
which is a lovely contrast. Nice, huh?
That is really cool, isn't it?
And then what I forgot to do on the maiden flight was put that secondary fuel tank underneath. I was a bit irritated about that when you get back in the car at the end of the day and you find out you've forgotten to put a scale detail on it, but I've done that now, so that should look good on this video.
Thankfully you didn't run out of fuel though, did you?
I didn't run out of fuel though. I mean, I'm assuming it's a fuel tank and not a bomb. I'm pretty sure that's a fuel tank. So, here we go. Here we go for second flight of the Tigercat.
It is a bit of a dull day today, isn't it, with the sky?
Yeah, it won't look great.
No.
So every time we come down here, sunny on a Friday and a Monday, not at the weekend.
Yeah, unfortunately we're at the hands of the great British weather. It's quite quick, isn't it?
That's half throttle. Only just over half throttle.
Quicker than the FMS P51.
Yeah, which we just flew and definitely could have done with being a bit quicker, but we reckon that was because there was not enough pitch on the blades. This certainly not the case, so back to middle rates.
Let's see full speed. Yeah, that doesn't hang about.
No, that is decent, isn't it?
Yeah. And quite aerobatic.
Sorry, did you not catch that?
I wasn't ready for that.
Sorry. I did say I was going to fly a bit more aggressively this time.
Try it again.
Sharp pull up again.
Yep.
Into the camera. God, that's good, isn't it? If only it was a blue
really
sky
good
day.
Performance. Yeah.
Huh?
That's got really good performance, that model.
Yeah. Does pull it around nicely. Oh, just
Some
so
scale rolls.
good. Never flown a twin as good as this, certainly. All right, slowing it down. Gear going down. Now. They take a long time to deploy.
They look good though. You gotta wait for the doors to open, that's why.
Yeah, yeah, true. Flaps 2. Oh, just fantastic. I enjoyed that. Absolutely fantastic. That really does have the right amount of power, the right amount of speed to really groove it around the sky. Seriously impressed with that. And it looks brilliant as well, even on a pretty bad light day like today. So this is the FMS 1.7mm F7F Tigercat. Really simple to put together, as I said in the first video. It takes you 10 minutes to put it together, and then put the stickers on, and then put your receiver in using my TX16S Mark II running Edge TX now, not Open TX.
Finally, finally.
I finally
Just taking you a year to
finally
move,
caught up,
and the best part about that was is he upgraded to Edge and then used it for the first time today, and he goes, oh, it's quite good actually, isn't it?
yeah, I know. No, I wasn't even using the touch sensitive screen. What an idiot. So just a brilliant operating system, and the value for money this is what and this is the, I think, like the $100 £100 radio. It's just so brilliant compared to other radios on the market that you'll pay 6-7 times more for, and that an FrSky X8R receiver in this, and a 4MAX 6S 6000 lipo, which they're really good as well. So a brilliant package altogether. Thanks to Jay on camera.
No problem.
If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, that would be appreciated, and please subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But guys, see you for another episode of Essential RC in the near future. Oh, just
Some
so
scale rolls.
good. Never flown a twin as good as this, certainly.